Students, now we are going to see the question answers of lesson The Grasshopper and the Ants, page number 165. Reading is fun. We have seen the lesson in last session, so let's see the question and answer. How did the grasshopper spend his days? How he was spending his days? The grasshopper spent his days by singing and dancing. Okay, next question is there. Did the grasshopper find food in the winter? What is the question? Did the grasshopper find food in winter? No. The grasshopper did not find food in winter. Okay, next question is there. What did the ant tell the grasshopper when he asked for food? So, what answer did ant give to the grasshopper when he came to ask about food? So, she said that, lazy one, in the whole summer season, in all summer season, you were only dancing and singing, and you did not have think about the winter season. This answer was given by ant. Ant said, the ant told lazy one, you were only singing and dancing. You did not think about cold winter. Okay. Now, next question is there. Let's talk. Now we are going to talk about it. So, if you were asked to store things for the winter, what would you store? Name any 3 things. So, which things we need for the winter season? So, we can't store the fruits because it will not remain the same. So, what we have to store? We have to store the grains. So, which things will you store for the winter season? So, grains, then maybe medicines, it may be needed in winter season, medicines, then woolen clothes. This is very essential. What? Woolen clothes, medical, means medicines, and grains for the eating. Next question is there. Which season do you like the best? Which season you like the best? You have to tell. I like winter season. Tell the class the story of the grasshopper and the ant in your own language. Now, this story, you have to tell this story to your parents in Marathi. Own language means our regional language. Which is our regional language? That is Marathi. So, you have to tell it to your parents. Next question is here. Word building. Now see. see here, students, circle the words that mean the same. What you have to do here? Which words are synonymous to each other, means which meaning is the same. Those words you have to circle. So 3 words are given. From that 2 words are the same. See here, speak, talk, shout. These 3 words are there. Speak means speak. Talk means also the same, but shout means loudly shouting. So these 2 words are the same. Okay. Then next, complete, finish, start. Complete means your teacher says that complete your homework or complete your classwork. Finish means also complete, and start means we are going to start, that is. So these 2 words are the same. Okay. Then next is there small. Small, thin and little. Little means बहुत थोड़ा. Okay. Small, छोटा, or thin means also the same. These 2 are the same. Next, sick. Sick means when you don't feel good. जब आप बीमार होते हैं तो उसको क्या बोलते हैं? sick बोलते हैं. Ill means जब भी आप बीमार होते हैं. Ill, sick, ill and stout. This is the difference. So sick and ill. These 2 words are the same. Big, large and fat. Fat means this fat. Big and large are these 2 are the same words. Now next is there page number 170, the web word. Now you can see here, when you hear winter and summer, what are the words that come to your mind? Write these words in the bubbles. Now you can see here bubbles. See, these are the bubbles. So when you think about winter season, which kind of words come in your mind? और आपको विंटर आने वाला है ये जब पता चलता है तो आपके मन में क्या आता है? कौन से थिंग्स याद आते हैं आपको? ये आपको इधर लिखना है. See here, विंटर तो स्कार्फ, और विंटर में हम गर्म चीजें खाने बहुत पसंद करते हैं तो टी. ओके. देन स्वेटर, then cap maybe or muffler. Okay. Next, again shoes, again socks. These are the things which are needed in winter season. Okay, students, now these 2 pages, this is your homework for you. Okay.